I will brutally expose the mathematical truth today about how retail investors who constantly buy the dip to lower their average cost become completely bankrupt. If you are desperately pouring your remaining loans into a bleeding account with the vain hope that it will eventually bounce back, stop that crazy act immediately. Countless people are perfectly deceived by the absolute nonsense of fake gurus, claiming that holding forever guarantees a win, violently choking their own necks. You are absolutely not making a smart investment today, but you are merely committing the most foolish act of self-harm by pouring pure acid into a rotting wound. This terrifying trap of buying the dip will never provide you with a chance to recover your principal, and it only ruthlessly tramples you to feed your entire wealth into the jaws of institutions. If you are ignoring the approaching horror of a completely wiped account while intoxicated by the numerical trick of a lowered average cost, you are already manipulated. To genuinely protect your remaining wealth, you must listen to my critical warning today. The very first chilling truth that will instantly shatter your bank account into pieces is the mathematical horror of loss asymmetry that you are perfectly ignoring. People make the incredibly stupid, elementary school level mistake of believing that if a stock drops 50%, it only needs to rise 50% to break even. However, the absolute law of cold capitalism is that when your $10,000 becomes $5,000, it requires a miraculous 100% return just to reach $10,000 again. The exact moment you rejoice at slightly lowering your average cost, believing you hit the bottom, the stock price crashes straight through the basement into the Earth's mantle, perfectly shredding your remaining money. This is absolutely not a simple price drop, but a highly vicious and bloodless mathematical death sentence, where the magic of percentages works in reverse to instantly evaporate all your saved money. The terrible cycle where you add money and desperately pray it will go up is repeating right now in this massive casino called the stock market. The market is sincerely mocking your pathetic calculations. The third cruel reality that will drive you absolutely crazy is the psychological disease called the sunk cost fallacy, where you completely lose your reason due to lingering attachment to lost money because of the horrific fear that your massive loss becomes permanent. The moment you hit the sell button, you foolishly hug that rotting stock and absolutely refuse to let it go. You are absolutely not analyzing corporate value, but merely acting like a blind cult follower, entirely captivated by the pathetic pride that your stock pick couldn't possibly be wrong and desperate to recover your principal, while all your precious assets are heavily tied up in that garbage stock. Your golden opportunities to catch the genuine leading stocks soaring crazily in the market are perfectly blown away. This is absolutely not genuine value investing, but the ruthless tyranny of a vicious capital market, actively using the weak psychology of the public, who cannot admit failure to suck out their marrow. You must deeply realize you did not bravely hold on. The fourth terrifying secret that actively shatters your fragile mental state is the existence of massive, institutional and foreign forces cheering while dumping their shares onto you every time you buy the dip. Institutions are the absolute first to notice a company's bad news and mercilessly dump massive volumes into the market. But clueless retail investors catch those bombs with their bare bodies, foolishly believing it is the bottom. You are actively paving the most perfect emergency exit for these powerful forces to safely secure their profits and escape, heavily using your blood, sweat, and hard-earned loan money. If you deeply fail to notice this brutal essence of distribution and merely pray that it will rebound someday, your miserable life will permanently degenerate into a pathetic fool for the elite forces. This is not a simple information asymmetry, but the most cold and ruthlessly accurate survival law of capitalism, where market predators aggressively grow by sucking the blood of weak, greedy individuals. If you do not stop this bizarre behavior of catching falling knives with your bare chest, you are doomed. The fifth cruel truth that will completely destroy your fragile soul is the horrific account melting phenomenon, where your entire portfolio melts into an irrecoverable state as you repeatedly buy the dip. Initially, it was a very small percentage of loss, but the absolute second you keep pouring money to lower the average cost, that garbage stock violently grows into a massive tumor, taking up more than half your account, while those who mechanically cut losses and seek new opportunities build massive wealth 10 years later. You, unable to let go and constantly averaging down, ultimately become a miserable loser whose entire account goes bankrupt. Your incredibly naive and stupid rescue funds blindly poured in to recover. Your principal will perfectly morph into an unimaginably massive loss, even if the stock drops just 1 more percent. I sarcastically applaud the highly vicious determination of billionaires who ruthlessly cut off their own risks at minus 10% to fiercely protect their extremely precious seed money. You will ultimately be recorded in history as a deeply foolish and tragic victim. The sixth critical warning perfectly exposes the chilling control and incredibly cunning gaslighting of fake stock gurus, meticulously hidden behind the highly hypocritical mask that a company's value never changes. They masterfully force endless patience upon you, with the sacred excuse that holding guarantees victory, maliciously framing smart investors who cut their losses and escape as weak, impatient failures. However, what they genuinely desire is absolutely not the recovery of your portfolio, but solely to perfectly trap you inside their strictly closed YouTube channels and leading rooms to use you as an infinite view-generating machine. If public ignorance heavily continues, all the garbage stocks in the market will inevitably skyrocket into massive graveyards for retail investors, and you will get dragged around by the leashes of fake experts. Wake up right now from this massive matrix, where they freely manipulate others' valuable retirement funds to aggressively fill their own pathetic view counts with false hope. Your pathetic illusion that you are doing long-term investing is actually a miserable act. To genuinely survive the horrific curse of this massive averaging down trap, actively targeting your hard-earned assets, you strictly must abandon all lingering attachments and ruthlessly hit the sell button on your bleeding stocks right now, the absolute second you mindlessly bite the incredibly flashy bait that fake gurus proudly call. Buying the dip, you will age, miserably completely crushed by uncontrollable account, melting and vicious market forces forever. True and lasting investment success does not emerge from the pathetic vanity of lowering your average cost, but is only perfectly achieved when you accurately see the mathematical horror of loss and entirely block the path to greater ruin. Please violently cast away that completely vain illusion of recovering your principal without any lingering attachment right this second, and mercilessly smash the cruel sunk cost trap that is slowly destroying your entire wealth today. I strongly warn and cheer for you with all my heart to absolutely and perfectly reclaim your precious assets and sovereign freedom from dirty market predators. Please subscribe immediately.